You're not supposed to rinse your mouth after you brush your teeth.
Been doing it for 22 years, dude. Today is going to be a different kind of video. Car's pretty much done. So we're going to do one of those building a 240SX in 10 minutes videos. Today, we're going to put the kit on the car. But for now, we first have to explain where the S13 came from and show the progress.
Came from Richmond.
So we'll roll the clip. It's 10:40. We just made it to Vancouver. And we're going to get my new car today. We're going to pick up an S13 coupe. Comes with a Sylvia front end. So we're gonna go pick that up. We got the trailer on the back. All right, boys, so we got here about 2 hours ago and looked at the car. Everything checked out until we tried to get it on the trailer.
So it wouldn't clear. These U-Haul trailer, like, it's like pretty low right now. And the coil, we tried to adjust the coilover.
Turn it up.
It was fucking seized. So we take the whole fucking front end off. The whole thing, fenders, bumper. Fucking nightmare. Took us 2 hours to get it off because like all the shit was like rusted and seized on and just absolutely fucked.
What'd you say, like 120,000 or something?
123,000 kilometers. What is that? 80,000 miles?
Yeah, so it came with a Sylvia front end. That's why it's all. I don't really care if it's all pulled apart right now. So we got fenders, we got projectors, corner lights,
hood. Cool.
How's it look, Adam?
Looks like a cool Via. That was pretty good. Do you have these bolts?
But the door's not gonna open, eh? Fuck, dude. Three out of 10 paint job. But let's be real, first time. What more can you expect, honestly? I mean, yeah, not perfect, but it's not bad either. For like what I had to work with, like one light in the garage, first time doing anything, not bad. So we got her situated. Don't mind the fitment on the corner lights. Gonna have to figure that out later, but it's not looking too bad. Just use the stock crash bar as you saw.
Hit the blinds.
What?
Hit the blinds.
Been a long day without you, my friend. And I'll tell you all about it when I see you again.
Got the trends all situated. Clutch. Got the XTD lightweight flywheel combo. 6-puck. Didn't feel like garbage.
6-puck unsprung, brah. In like shin.
Right on. That wasn't that bad.
Not too bad.
Oh. Just cranking.
Holy fuck!
I'm at the chum bucket, you're a bitch at cum bucket.
Welcome back to the present day.
Yeah, in the shit video.
Hopefully you enjoyed the clips. Little throwback, dude, of all the things I've done to this car. And
This is Thursday. It's a bit of a TBT.
it is.
Well, this is on. This side's fully mounted up. Noah's just got to mount up the skirt on the other side. Maybe if you speed it though. Got a goddamn marketing 325 assignment that Noah's blowing it for both of us on here.
Is it time for the big reveal, man?
This thing's been revealed the whole time.
I think it's time for a skinny tragic.
We must pay homage to him.
This guy's so hard parked AF right now.
Park's like 10 feet away from the curb.
It's alright. No. Super duper, dude.
Suspect. What did we show this video? I guess we probably started out driving to Vancouver or like loading it onto the U-Haul. And look at it now. Look at it now, man.
Look at it now.
It's come a long way.
Still a ways to go though, hey?
Yeah, I ain't done yet. So now that it's painted, the engine's actually coming out because I have some mods. I think we've mentioned it before, but in case you're new to the channel, subscribe. But S13 turbo, some 550cc injectors, Z32 MAF, all new gaskets, RSenthalpy ECU. We'll do an HKS adjustable wastegate, probably run like 14 psi. So the engine's gonna come out because the upper oil pan's leaking anyways, so we have to fix that. New clutch, because the clutch of my car's fucked. I don't know when we're gonna do that. I'm not really in a rush, so probably like this month though, some point, October. And then yeah, make sure you click the link in the bio, check out Tori, slatzkitz, check out our shit. We're doing a sale right now, trying to get rid of some old stuff so we can get another drop going. So what do you think? 30% off?
Sure.
Everything on the store? Use the code PAINT30
That was...
so we can know if they came from YouTube.
Oh, yeah, Paint30.
PAINT30 for 30% off your order. Everything on the store.
You mind not eating your crunchy ass granola bar while we're filming? And then stay tuned for more content. Like, comment, subscribe.
Yeah,
Comment something. It helps a lot if you comment. So just
check
throw
out Torrance if
throw
you
anything down there.
need paint or fiberglass.
These skirts are from Torrance, handmade.
That's a tight fit. Probably didn't even need to zip tie them, honestly.
Yeah, and they're good value.
Oh, those are cool, bro.
Check out friggin'
Oh shit.
fucking not Torrance, what's his name? Lennon?
Lennon, Dorky Dory. New valence fits very well.
The boys will try to hit 10 million K up on that YouTube. Best content that nobody subscribes.